Today we're going to simplify the following expressions using the distributive property. So in A we have 1/2 times the quantity 3x plus 6. Applying the distributive property, we're going to multiply 1/2 times 3x and 1/2 times 6. So we get 1/2 times 3x plus 1/2 times 6. Now 3x can be looked at as 3 over 1 times x. So multiplying 1 times 3, we get 3, and 2 times 1, we get 2, all times x, plus 1/2 times 6. 2 and 6 have a common factor of 2. So our 2 becomes a 1, and since 2 goes into 6 3 times, our 6 becomes a 3. So 1 times 3 gives us 3. So our answer is 3/2 x plus 3. Moving on to B, we have 3 times the quantity 1/3 x plus 5. Once again, we're going to distribute our 3 to what's inside the parentheses. So 3 times 1/3 x and 3 times 5. So we have 3 times 1/3 x plus 3 times 5. Once again, 3 can be looked at as 3 over 1, and we have 3 times 1, which is 3, and 1 times 3, which is 3x, plus 3 times 5, which gives us 15. Now we can simplify this a little more, since 3 over 3 is the same as 1x plus 15. This can also be written as x plus 15. Now in part C, we have a times the quantity 1 plus 1 over a. Applying the distributive property, we're going to do a times 1 and a times 1 over a. So we get a times 1 plus a times 1 over a. A times 1 just gives us a, plus, just like in the previous problem, we can add a 1 over, and a times 1 gives us a, and 1 times a gives us a. And similar to the last problem, a over a is just 1. So our answer is a plus 1. Moving on to D, we have 12 times the quantity 2/3 x plus 1/2 y. Applying the distributive property, we're going to multiply 12 times 2/3 x and 12 times 1/2 y. So we get 12 times 2/3 x plus 12 times 1/2 y. Now just looking at 12 times 2/3 x, we know that 3 is a factor of 12. So our 3 becomes a 1 and our 12 becomes a 4. So now 4 times 2 gives us 8. And we bring over our x. Plus, now we have 12 times 1/2 y. Once again, 2 is a factor of 12. So our 2 becomes 1 and our 12 becomes a 6. And 6 times y is 6y. So our answer is 8x plus 6y.